restez sur vos gardes. Visez juste.
Wait, what's going on? The batteries are not working.
Oh no, Wang! What are you doing?
Oh my god, this is so annoying. I don't want that controller anymore. I want to throw it out of the window. Wow, this is such a great idea. Why did I not think of this earlier? Changing batteries and disposing them at the right place can bring many benefits to the environment, and everybody should be doing it. Hey look, I think I found the right place. Come closer and let me explain.
Thank you, Will. Now let me explain how batteries are being recycled. There's a different procedure for all different batteries, but I will explain the most common one. So, for the alkaline one, like yours, the specialized center will use a room temperature to separate the battery into two products: zinc and manganese, steel, and finally plastic brass. Then these products will be resold on the market because they can still be useful again for other things, or will cut many loss of the procedure. And now for the lead acid battery, like the one we use in cars, it's consisted of four new steps. First, there's a big hammer who will break them into pieces, and then they will be overflowed by water. So the plastic part will float and the NV metal would not move. After the plastic is evacuated with the water, it's melted and then resealed. While the plastic melting, the same is happening to the metals, who are casted into ingot and resealed again. Then, for the water, who was infected by the sulfuric acid in the battery, they use a basic solution to neutralize the water that is then tested to be sure it's meet clean water standard and reused again to recycle older battery. So it's very useful to do that and save the environment, because if we don't do this, there's a lot of consequences that can happen. Lucas will explain them.
You might think that these small batteries could mean no harm to you, but actually they can have a major impact on the environment if they're not correctly disposed. In fact, the dangers come from its components of heavy metal, such as cadmium, mercury, zinc, and nickel, which are all known for the extreme toxicity and carcinogenic risks. Although, the most devastating asset of this battery is the threatening presence of lithium. There has been many cases of lithium-made products catching on fire or exploding due to sensitivity to heat. As a matter of fact, if only a small amount of the acids contained in these batteries could get out, it would contaminate 400 liters of water or 1 cubic meter of dirt for at least 50 years. That's why it's so important to recycle your batteries the proper way.